Okay, guys, someone asked me if my strategy can actually work on 1 hour time frame. Okay, we will be checking this out right here in this video. You don't need to follow what I will say with my mouth. Let's go more practical. Let's see how we can handle this on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and you're going to learn a lot from this. Okay, so I will advise you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you can have a better understanding of how it really works. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So like I said, we will be checking out these assets on, the chart on 1 hour time frame. We are on 15-minute time frame at the moment. So I will be taking it to 1 hour time frame to see how it looks like on 1 hour time frame and how we can put this into use. Just like you guys have known, what I focus on mostly is the trend trading strategy. This has actually helped me to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, and of course it is still working very well for me. Okay, so right now this is Ganex 1200 on 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me show you this, guys. This is one beautiful thing you're going to love about this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to show you the uptrend and the downtrend together on 1 hour time frame so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, so for this actually got to the support region around here, and you can see it's a major support region. You can see the movement, okay, the sideways movement, showing that it's trying to see if it will break out below this support zone or probably switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. So in this situation, it switched into an uptrend at this point. You can see from red to yellow. So let's say you decide to come in around there, which is the right time for you to come in. You place your order at this point, and of course you set your stop loss somewhere here, just below here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so and you allow it to play because it is on uptrend, and if it didn't go on uptrend, it will get to your stop loss and take you out of the market. The rest of your capital is secured. Okay, so that is it. But check it out, this is massive. It bought till it got to this resistance zone. Try to go back on downtrend, or probably it pulled back. Okay, then went back up, broke the structure around here. Okay, broke the structure around here, just the way we have seen it. Okay, and of course it bought more till it got to this region. So that is the beautiful part of it. So even if you missed our entry at the entry point around there, you can easily come in around there, or you add more entry around there to make it to entry, and this will give you an opportunity to trade for a very long time. It is as simple as that. You don't even need to stress yourself. Okay, so this is another opportunity for a sell signal. This has gotten to the right zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. So what do? You are expected to set your sell order around here. When you got the red arrow, let's say you put it somewhere here, and of course you set your stop loss just above, a little bit above this, and of course um you relax. Okay, so it is either it sells or probably it gets to your stop loss and it will take you out of the market. But check it out, guys, this gave us a lot of selling opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that is how amazing this strategy is. Okay, this actually gave us how many? um this is about 92,421 points. That's a lot, guys, on 1 hour time frame. So you can imagine. Okay, so now let's check out GainX 999 also on 1 hour time frame. Okay, This is it on 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, give us a sell signal at this spot. Put your stop loss, set your sell signal, and allow it to roll. It sold till it got to this region before trying to go back up, but it didn't go too far and broke again. Do, do you get that? Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Right now it has given us a buy signal, even though when it got to this region it had a pullback, but this is huge profit already. Okay, so that is it. So that is how amazing it is. Okay, let's check out Penex 1200. Also our time frame. Okay, so this is it on 1 hour time frame. Let's check it out. You can see this actually gave us a buy signal at this point. Set your stop loss and set your entry order, and of course this will have given you a lot of profit. Here is another one, a sell signal. It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, set your stop loss somewhere here, place your order at this point, and this will sold till it got to this region. Okay, and of course this is trying to pull back. Okay, or even though it's a major pullback, but even if you decide to go for this buy order, check it out, you will be in a lot of profit right now. This will give you an opportunity to trade for a very long time. That is the beauty of the trend trading strategy. Okay, it does not really matter the time frame you are using. Okay, so just that the time frame will only give you opportunity to earn money, and you can be, there will be major pullbacks. For instance, let's see this, guys. Let's see this. Okay, let's say you decide to come in around here. Okay, you set your buy order and you put your stop loss. At this point, this will have given you profit even when this was having a major pullback. This little pullback is a loss on lower time frame. Okay, but it will not take it will only take a little of your profit at this point. Okay, so you will still be in profit. Okay, and of course you can see after the pullback it went back to break out from that structure and of course give us more profit. So this gives you more confidence within the market because you are trading within a trend. It gives you more confidence in the market. So far you are able to jump into the trade right from the beginning, then you are good to go. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so you guys can also take advantage of this opportunity on higher time frame if you want. Okay, if you can catch it right from the beginning, then you will definitely make a lot of profit from there. So right now this is preparing for a downtrend. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us a sell signal. You can easily come in right now, set your stop loss somewhere here, and actually this particular trade is waiting for a major breakout from here, but you can still set your trade right now, and once this breakout happen, then it's going to sell. We should expect more selling opportunity right from there. So all you just need to do is just to set your trade. Once you have the right signal, set your trade and allow it to roll. Make sure you set your stop loss, make sure you set your entry point. Okay, and allow it to roll. You just need to go over to um to to get an update from there once in a while, just for you to know what is going on within the market. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so you guys can use it on any time frame. So guys, I will be stopping right here. So a quick recap here. The most important thing here is for you to understand and learn the strategy. Once you learn the strategy and you are able to perfect it, then you can use it to trade whenever you feel like trading, and you are most likely to be making profits out all the time. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. In case you have any other question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you send it directly to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.